You might have heard that chatbots are the next big thing in digital marketing, SEO included. Business owners looking to enhance a relationship with their customers online should consider adding a chatbot to their website. Chatbots can help you with your customer retention, increasing your conversion rates, and through that, boosting your rankings. But you might still be asking yourself, how to use chatbots to boost your business's SEO? A chatbot's for you. First of all, you need to make sure that having a chatbot will indeed improve the experience on your website. Chatbots are most readily used by young females, so if your business caters to this demographic, having a chatbot might be a good idea. For example, if you're selling beauty products, having a chatbot could be a great way of helping your customers search or even try out your products online. A great example of how successful this strategy is are brands such as Sephora. How can chatbots help your business? Understanding your customers' needs and wants is the key to any successful business, and this also goes for chatbots. Another way of answering a question of whether you need a chatbot might be to think about whether you're struggling with customer inquiries coming through your website. If the answer is yes, having a chatbot could help you cope with inquiries and customer support. This could be particularly relevant to businesses which provide services to their customers. You've decided a chatbot will be a great addition to your business. Now, how do you get one? You can use a ready-made chatbot service such as live chat. This is the easiest way of adding a chatbot to your website. Most services will let you customize your chatbot's appearance as well as its conversational content. You can also use an app to build your own chatbot. This is slightly more difficult. However, there are some services which make designing your own bot fairly easy. This could be a good idea if you want your chatbot to answer very specific queries. So how does having a chatbot improve your SEO? Chatbots can improve the user experience on your website by providing customer support 24/7 and answering frequently asked questions. Without a chatbot, your users might struggle to find answers they're looking for and might not buy your product or service as a result. Improved user experience translates not only into improved conversion rates, but also into improved dwell time on your site. As we know that dwell time is one of Google ranking metrics, we can guess that having a chatbot on your website can translate into improved SEO by encouraging your customers to stay on your site for longer. Having a chatbot can be a great way to boost the user experience and in return, the Google rankings and SEO of your website. However, remember that this will only work if your chatbot answers your customers' needs by adding value to your website.